This is a co-challenge for black. White's ice base is not very big, but because of black's weakness in this shape right here, it is impossible for black to kill white. The best result is a ko. So you might think this will be obvious, but white can actually play this move. And what's happening now is that white is threatening to come in here and capture this black stone as at least one real eye. So now if black plays here, saving this stone on the 2-2 point, white can play this, building an eye here, and now white will be able to capture 3 black stones like this, and this will guarantee at least one real eye. Of course, if white only captures 2, then white will be dead, like this. This will be a fake eye instead, and number 7 will not be captured. But white can always play this, forcing black to sacrifice 1 more if it wants to. But once white captures 3, there will be a real eye. So number 3 can be here as well. Now what happens is that 1 and 3 can pull out by playing at G19. But white will play here first. Black must capture. Otherwise, white will make 2 real eyes this way. Now white captures black in a connect and die here. Black must connect, white captures, and now this is an Atari, number 8. So this is not okay for black because white can make a real eye in Sente. Black must play here, white captures, and black can stand down here to make sure that this is at least not 2 real eyes, right? This will not be a real eye because if white connects here, black can Atari. And if white plays here, black can Atari from outside. But now it's best for white to just ignore this and capture 1 and 3 instead, like this or this. And white will live very comfortably with many points in here. But if this stone were here, then this problem would be completely different. This way white will actually be dead because number 8 will not be an Atari, and black will be able to make sure white does not get Sente after capturing black. You can work out that variation on your own. If black plays here, now white can increase ice base like this. If black plays here, then white will be able to make a living shape this way. If black comes in, white can play this, increasing ice base, and white can play this move. Now black cannot come in because white will be able to capture a bent 4 shape. And the best black can do is to try to make this into a fake eye, but white can connect here. And this will be a mutual life or Seki shape. So white will be alive this way. So that is why number 1 here actually doesn't work because of white's number 2, increasing ice base. So the correct move is actually not easy to find at all. It's right here. It's weird because white cannot capture number 1 this way. Black can just escape. And there's no way for white to capture black. Black will be able to connect. And this will be a fake eye after number 1, right? And there's no way white can make 2 real eyes here. So that's why number 2 will fail. The best white can do now is to prevent number 1 from connecting. And that is right here. Now again, black needs to be careful. If black plays here, now white can play this. We're back to the first variation where black plays here first, right? This will be very similar to the first variation that we saw. And white will be able to capture these 3 black stones. So the key move here is to play right here. Of course, white can start a ko this way. This can be considered a correct variation. Of course, white can also play here, forcing black to connect. Now black cannot connect, but white is not alive either. 1, 3, and 5 is only a straight 3 shape. It's only 1 real eye. And white will have to throw in here and play this throw in again, hoping to capture these 2 stones in a connect and die on the corner. And this will be another ko, with black capturing first. So this is the correct sequence. Not very easy to find. But I think what's more interesting is the first couple of first moves that I tried. It's not too easy to find why black cannot succeed, or how white can stay alive. But after you find out that other first moves do not work, we can only find number 1 here, followed by number 3. Both are very good moves. They're not super easy to find, but I hope you enjoyed the pattern. Thank you for watching.